day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the unboxing of the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features offered on the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So we'll check out the details here, or the functions listed here, and see if the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch is the next generation and one of the best Watch Ultra clone smartwatch this 2025. So if you have any questions regarding the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, drop a comment below and watch this video first before you get one, so you will see if the listed features here is really available in the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Alright, so let's start and explore the menus and features of the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So let's open the smartwatch. As you can see here, we do have an animated watch face. Unlike other wearable, when you rotate the crown button, it shows the menu instead of the other watch face. I guess to change this, let's see if the long press works. Okay, so it still works. Phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5. So let's select this one. Okay, nice. Looks like a watch face from the popular Apple Watch. Okay, on top we have the notifications. On the bottom part we have the different menus here. On the left side we have the split screen and the recently accessed apps. On the right side we do have the widgets. I like the data here for the sleep monitoring, the UI. Heart rate monitoring. We have the support app here, QR code, the music control function. And so this one, it is a storage. Okay, so local music, as you can see here, we do have. And I guess there's an option also for the mobile music. Okay, for the menus and features, just press the power button. So this is for the settings and other options for your smartwatch. This one is for the sports functions. Okay, talking about the menus and features, so we have here the different options. So let's look for the list menu. Okay, so we have it here on the bottom part. So the functions or the features included here in the smartwatch, we do have the heart rate monitoring, the sports function. For the sports, we do have a comprehensive list here of sports functions. More exercise. So we have here different categories. We have walking and running, cycling. We even have a swimming here, outdoor sports, and we also have indoor activities, dance, movement, sports, combat, and ball games. Nice. Okay, very good so far for the sports function. We have fitness record. We have sleep monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, music control function. We also have here an app market, but you need to connect to the support app to download. We have a chat GPT. Okay, it needs connectivity also to the support app. We have a smart memo. We also have here a built-in translator, as you can see here. We have an AI watch face, photo. So we do have a photo gallery. Okay, 1 GB of storage space. Face album here, AI watch face album. Sports record. We have an ebook. blood pressure, voice memo. Okay, we do have the Bluetooth call, weather report. We have an alarm here, mindfulness. What are the other features here? Okay, push notifications, calendar. We have a timer, calculator, stopwatch. We also have here a voice assistant aside from the ChatGPT. We also have, what's this? Remote control. I guess this is for the short video control. Okay. We have a compass, business card holder. We have a wallet here, blood sugar monitor. We also have a world clock and a game. Okay, you can switch from waterfall to the list menu. Okay, so very easy to switch. Music control. What else do we have here? Let's go to the settings. We have an ebook here. Let's check out the settings. So we have personal information, notify. Okay, so we have a lot of options here. Notification, bright screen. What's this one? You can hide the notifications also. We have focus mode. In general, we have about, language, connect the phone, restore factory, restart, and shut down. We have Bluetooth connectivity here. Display and brightness. So we have an option to increase the brightness here. And other options for your screen. Okay, light mode, we have always on display support also. Okay, we have background. To display a background color, you can also change that. We have an option to change the font size, wake up screen, dial animation, and application dynamics. We have the menu theme. We have at least menu view. Okay, so we have a lot of options here. Okay, go back. We have menu wallpaper. You need the support app to change. Go back. We have the gesture control, operation button, so you can change sound and touch. So there's a volume adjustment here, as well as the ringtone. The haptic feedback you can also change. You can increase or decrease. Okay, there's a lot of options for this wearable so far. We have password, battery option. We have the sleep option here, settings, physical training, the heart rate. Okay, you can make it a real-time detection, as well as the heart rate notification. So there's a lot of options for this wearable. Bedside clock, time setting, smart island you can activate, and other options here. So I guess it states here multifunctional smartwatch. It is really a multifunctional smartwatch loaded with features and other options for your wearable. Okay, very good so far. Very good Ultra 3 series, the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So I'm excited to explore other features here, okay, on our next video. Again, if you have any questions regarding the HK10 Ultra smartwatch, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.